Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. I just poured down some color to go. It's like a lavender paint. I'm going to do a swipe. Just need a little bit more. Okay, this swipe is going to be not with a palette knife. I'm going to use this pink scraper. And all I'm going to do is take my paints, and I'm not sure if I want to do diagonal. Do I want to do diagonal? I'll do diagonal. What the heck? Just going to run a line like this along. These are my blue mixtures. You can probably do this with mix with Floetrol mixture and silicone. I used to do it like that, but I'm just using my bloom paint. So this is Iridescent Blue Green by Pibio. That first purple one was Ultraviolet by Amsterdam. And I have some Manganese Blue by Amsterdam. Now I have some called Jadeite by DecoArt, Iridescent or Extreme Sheen. I forgot one color. I have purple, dioxazine purple, mixed with DecoArt Amethyst. I'll just put a little bit of this. There's a few different ways you can do your swipes. This is a good beginner's way. And then you take your cell activator or your paint with silicone in it, whatever way you want to do it. Doesn't matter. But this is my way that I like to do it. So I got my cell activator, which is Australian Floetrol, and Amsterdam Payne's Gray. Just cleaning it off. And that's all. You don't need much. This is just a little canvas anyway. I'll start in the middle. And keep it on a little bit of a tilt and pull your colors underneath. might go over that one again. It's pretty. See, this one's better because I pulled more of the color down. This is more white there. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh. I don't even need this much now, but oh. Can push a little bit, not too much. Now, I'm gonna do there. I could probably do some swirls after, but I'd like more to come off this end here. It's almost off here. Let's see if it's moving. All right, I think we're good. All right, I like it. I love it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Look at these colors. Oh, ho, ho, they're gorgeous. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. And I hope to see you in my next video. Give these colors a try. They're gorgeous. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Here's my dried tile. Dried really awesome. Look at that pretty shine. I love that iridescent blue-green by Pebeo. The purple, blue, very nice. I need to do a bloom in these colors. Dried great under my box. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.